Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Saturday. So I am up fixing breakfast for Mark. I'm going to fix him some, I got the sausage going and the plantain. So this is what we're having. Well, I put it 2 more sausage because I'm not going to eat now. I have to hurry up. I have another customer right now coming shortly to, well, before he leaves, so he'll be here because I don't like really doing that stuff if he's not here. So somebody's on their way to, they're going to buy the 6-piece canvas that was over the bed. They're going to get that, and then I'll come back and show you guys some updates of where I placed some things. And y'all already know she getting ready to get moved and get her clothes on because she got to go to Walmart. Okay? All right. Happy Saturday. That's when I'll be doing it. When you be saying it, all you gotta do is just say good morning. I always say something positive. We don't have to be nothing real long.
Welcome to Tea Time. How you doing out there? Word of encouragement, stay focused, stay strong. Don't let nobody stop you from getting where you need to go. Love y'all.
Hey guys, I'm back. Y'all, I'm so excited because things are moving out of this space. I'm just so excited. Like, words can't explain. I'm just like, thank you, Lord, for knowing what it is that I'm trying to do. I don't know why it looks like my eye dark, but I'm going to show you guys. I put the basket in the bathroom. I absolutely love it. So this is what it looks like in here. I love that, guys. Look at that. Didn't ever have a basket in the bathroom, but I just like how that looks. Even from the hallway, it just looks really, really nice. So, and then we currently have clothes in there. So yeah. So the little basket that was in here, y'all know I only bought that because we took that door back. And the lady was like, you got to get something else, you know, with the remaining. So I got the little black basket. I just put it in here for now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell my big basket that I end up spraying and fixing it up really nice. I'm going to sell that. I think that's the last of the items that I'm going to sell. So I've actually incorporated that basket that was in here inside that basket. And then I'm going to take these out of here. We don't need these in here. Like, really don't. I'm going to put these in the kitchen. Put these in the kitchen. For I think I'll make it like a little table scape with some plates and then put this on top. These are really nice. But yeah, guys, I wanted to show you guys that. Oh my God, I really like that. So let me just show you guys some updates on things here. So we're gonna go ahead and put these right here because I'll do that when I come back because I gotta go to Walmart. But here's the picture, guys. Look at that. Y'all let me know in the comments, what do y'all think? Because I really like it. It's really simple. I like the fact how it goes with the wood, and in due time, if I get another something that I can like start another baby, I'm going to end up putting it in here, and so it can drain down. I really like this, and this picture is so nice, y'all. Right here, it is so nice. Let me stand back. So look how it looks with the oh y'all, sorry. Let me turn the light on. But look how that looks with this. You see what I'm saying? It's so simple and sleek. So that's it. I'm not putting nothing over here. And those two vases that I had here that I got from out the back room, y'all, the white and the, remember it was white and then at the bottom was gray and then it was white and then it was black and they had like the rope around it. Somebody came and bought those. So I'm super happy about that. But that's what that looks like. We're going to keep going because I got some more to show y'all. But yeah, she bought the wine thing that I had, that Crate and Barrel wine rack thing that I had in here. Wait a minute, y'all. Wait a minute. Ooh, hold on. Ooh, Lord. Sorry, guys. Okay, she bought the 2 bottles. She bought the wine thing, and she bought the thing to go over the bed. The canvases that I connected together, she bought those. So I'm super excited, y'all. Like, I'm super happy. Like, it's just so minimal. So me, well, I'm not going to just say me because I'm not here by myself, but just so minimal. And Mark doesn't like a lot of stuff either. He really doesn't. He don't like all that craziness. Just, he doesn't. But guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, look how that looks. So I incorporated the pillow. And y'all, I was thinking, do y'all see this? How did I know? Tell me that. How did I know that this was gonna go with that? Do y'all see that? Girl, y'all, not girl, but I be having a vision. I know it was a reason why. So I bought the mustard pillow in here because it's like a mustardy gold. And guys, that looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh, y'all. The house is really coming together. So basically, when I think about it, the only thing we have to really do is still the light fixture up here, this ugly thing here. If I ever come across, we're gonna get another one, and then one for the office, and then that door in that back room, and that's it. But I wanted to show you guys, I bought, let me see if I can bring y'all right here. I forgot to show y'all, then y'all can look at that too. Look at that. That picture is so pretty, y'all. Y'all, Mark is gone too. He already left for work. And yeah, what was I saying? Oh, he already left for work. But I had him he put the chairs in the truck already, so they're in there. But yesterday I forgot to show y'all guys these. I did buy these, and one of my girlfriends, she bought a pair too, because when she seen them in my car, she was like, where did you get them? And I said, out the bin. But these were originally $14.99, and I got them from Crazy Bins yesterday, and I forgot. So let's see what they look like on, okay? Let's see what they look like. And the reason why I really like these, oh, and wait a minute. Okay, it says $14.99 here too. But yeah, the reason why I like these because they're copper. They are copper, and let's see what they look like. Ooh, y'all! Oh my gosh, it matched my skin tone. Hey y'all, hi guys, happy Saturday. Ooh. Now let me quit playing. But anyway, y'all guys, those are all the updates. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna leave now, and I'm gonna take those chairs back to Walmart. I know I gotta get a bag of charcoal while I'm in there. And I'm thinking about if they have any of those lights that go up the steps. I think I might get those. So I just wanted to show you guys, and I wanted to show you my glasses too, because I forgot that I left them in the car yesterday. So that was part of the haul. So guys, let me know what y'all think in the comments below, where I placed everything and how does it look. Y'all, how did she know that pillow was gonna go? This pillow. Okay, all right, I know. I'm back. So I'm gonna end this video quick because I've done everything. It was a quick return, like it was less than like 5 minutes, but it was an elderly person that was in front of me. I ended up letting him go. I asked the lady behind me, was it okay if I let him go, because he was walking with a cane and stuff like that. So I do have a heart for elderly, because one day I'm gonna get there. But guys, if y'all go in my comments, somebody was just read the comments and they were mad because I was returning the chairs. Guys, that's my money. I don't understand who would have chairs for 2 weeks, and if you found some cheaper somewhere else, you would not return them. That's my $80, close to $80. I wanted my money back. And if I find 2 more chairs for $10, I will go get those from the Crazy Bands. But I did pick up the charcoal, and I got the lighter fluid. So yeah, I don't understand that. And my thing is this: when people do stuff like this, I don't care what nobody says. Me personally, basically she was saying, you always get stuff and take it, like you use it until you find something. It doesn't matter. It's my money and my stuff. And if you find something in the reasonable bracket of time where you can return it, you can do that as long as you didn't use it. And we didn't use the chairs. We've been having up and down weather, snowing, raining. We haven't been out there like a cookout or anything. So I don't even understand why would you even care? And then two, when people do stuff like that, to me, it's like, I don't care what nobody says. It is a form of jealousy. You're jealous because I can do that. Like, what does it matter? It's not your money to return or whatever somebody do. I don't get that. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I didn't have a lot going on, but I enjoyed taking you guys along, hang out with me for our day. I am actually, sorry about that. I'm actually getting ready to go for a walk, and then I'm actually going to go home and relax for the day and meditate and get in his presence for the remainder of the day. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget, love yourself so that you will love others and the world be a much better place. And also, I'll throw in a clip of how the chairs look on the porch. And then it was like, those chairs don't look right. It's the same material. They're metal, and actually they're a lot more sturdier in diameter and things like that. Like, huh? All right, y'all. We're gonna go now, okay? I love y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Bye. See you tomorrow.